few other questions answered here. From Dean Robinson. So I could use, and this is referring to cheap devices on the internet, okay? One of our most successful videos online. So I could use a 10-pound skin tag remover for around the eyes. Okay, to this I'm gonna say, do it at your own peril. When it says not to use around the eyes, well, if you do this at your own peril, I think where it's coming from, I think is some people was a bit angry about us putting out this very valuable information, so they're trying to really take the mickey or just make us sound unreasonable. Or are they just saying that so you buy one of their more expensive machines? I don't understand this question, I do apologize. I have had a look on YouTube at the cheap devices, and it looks like it does exact thing as the more expensive machines. Here's the link. Thank you for your help you can provide. Very good. Mainly the difference, because we actually got these cheap devices, the difference is that we have tested our own devices and our design is proven to work. So if you think that the Spark is the same thing, which we know not to be, then you do it at your own risk. This is the main answer to that. Basically, you've got something that's been tested and has been proven to work and been safe for these treatments, whereas if you get them on the internet, they look the same Spark, but will they get the same effect? Will they be safe and not cause scarring? It's completely up to you. With our devices, you get something that is proven to work. You get our help and our guarantee, our face and everything. With the cheap devices, you can still do it. You're free to do what you like, and we're very much happy about cheap devices and competition on the market, because this is the fact that this is how the marketplace becomes very healthy, by having competition. But if you buy them, you don't find any support, you don't even find a CE mark, you find absolutely zero. Something goes wrong, you're on your own. Zero support, and try it. It's only $10. Well, I'd say you try it at your peril. It's only $10 if you want to try it at your peril. But yes, you can find devices for $10. Then we're going to go forward. Brilliant, great video, many thanks. Background music too loud. Okay, we addressed that. Can I do this on myself easily? It's referring to upper or lower eyelid. I don't know how somebody can do it themselves. I wouldn't be able to do it. Absolutely, I wouldn't recommend it. Then the same person says, can I use it on my back, on my hands? Try it if you please. I think it is possible, but yeah, I think it is possible you can do that, I think. But you doing it on your eyelids yourself, I think it's going to be a bit hard. So can you look electrical arc on keloids? You've got to use, the answer is you use not any electrical arc, and you use devices that are suitable. It's not as if you actually go into a socket and get an electrical arc, because you can get electrical arcs from sockets, not easily now because there's RCDs. So as soon as you get an electrical arc, very likely the RCD is going to trip, and then also that electrical arc is going to cause you an electric shock. So basically you've got to get devices that are suitable. But if you get suitable devices like the Beauty Tech, yes, you can use it on keloids.